All right, so it's been the holidays. I've been slacking a little bit on the videos. I have been getting a couple viewer requests. One for a walk around of my custom upright splitter, which if you guys follow the channel, I'm sure you guys have seen more than you want to of it. 2, bucket change on the backhoe. So we're gonna take care of that today. See if we can answer a couple more questions that some of you guys have been asking. Give you a little bit of an update on the barn here. Right here, we got a makeshift station here for my bundling process. Here's my bundler. Yeah, I know, bells and whistles, old 2x4s. The reason that it's inside here, taking up space, is because even outside, covered up, those things get some snow on it, and I cannot be delivering wet wood to people, even if it's just surface. We've got everything but the hard maple. The reason we don't have hard maple up top is because it was impassable. I did a number on here. Keegan about threw me out of the house when I told her I did this, but I'm gonna be tilling this all again, I'm sure. If you guys can help it, just stay out of your fields, stay off the tractor until the ground's getting frozen. Here's why, guys. Almost made it. Tried forward, tried backwards. I got a lot of wood down here and I just can't get to it. Also tried donuts, apparently. But it is a very wet time of year. We need it to get cold. We need it to stay cold. So just, guys, don't be like me. That right there is not good. That is not good at all. Well, it looks like we've got a fox. I don't think coyotes would den up this close to the house. If you guys are on the channel, you know I have ducks. Ducks live right up here in this pond, so we're gonna be solving some problems in the barn today. I'm also gonna have to solve that problem. Probably gonna have to do that one off camera though. But yeah, some of you guys might notice something new in here. We're gonna have to do a whole video. I'm gonna do a walk around here on the upright custom splitter, go through all the specs, the pumps, everything, give you the numbers on it, and see if we can't get some copycat builders, because I'm all for it. Allegedly, we have a 1-ton dump truck showing up at some point today with 4 to 5 ton, his numbers, not mine, 4 to 5 ton of clean fill, keyword clean. Better be, or I'm turning them right around. We're gonna have him pull right through here, right out the back, and put the fill right here so I can get to it very easily. I don't need to go and mess up Ray's grade. If you haven't seen my last video, Ray was just over with the dozer. All that topsoil over there is nice and tracked down, and I'm really trying to stay off of it. The idea is that the truck can back in this door, back out that door, and dump. However, with the backhoe in the way, that's not possible. Well, this date's showing 2012. I'm not so sure that's accurate. Okay, so this one is showing 2017. Holy shit. There we go. CarQuest, baby. Now, we still probably have a use for that. Not sure what yet, but we'll use her. Like a glove. Well, that's a good sign. Ooh, we got a light out. Not anymore. Here we go. What is that? Is that the starter there? That's the starter, huh? Well, that's not good. I know that battery's charged. This block is nice and warm. That ain't good. Always something though. Tell you what, we're getting a couple cranks. Let's see if we can't get her to go. The ether helped. Not sure if that was lucky or not. If you recognize that noise, please let me know what's going on. Hopefully it's not the starter. Let her warm up. That should be high enough. Plenty high. Well, getting up was probably easier than getting down. That's why everybody should own a backhoe. Look at all the things you can do with it. You're gonna need a couple things for this job. A pin, something you can hammer in. Nice mallet to hammer. I'm just getting all set up for you guys here. To swap this bucket here, I had to pull a light out. It's getting rather dark, and very nice surprise. Look who showed up. Soft hand Chris, what's happening?
Gotta keep them hands soft.
Yeah, they look a little different than these ones, huh?
Yeah, working man hand right here.
What are you doing? That's what we got a tractor for, sweetie. I was just saying, Chris, I was gonna show these guys how to do the bucket. Probably a lot easier with two people, one on the ground, one in the cockpit.
You wanna hop in, I'll be on the ground.
Yeah. Let's swap those rolls up. Who would you rather learn from? A guy that's done it once or twice? Or a guy, how many bucket changes do you think you've done?
I don't know.
Couple hundred?
I count on my hands and feet.
All right, well, we'll get a mic on Chris. We'll get him in the cockpit, and we'll get some tips and tricks.
We plan on putting the backhoe on backwards. We're gonna do some backwards digging.
Yeah, we're gonna do some backwards digging.
Okay.
Chris is already criticizing me because I got the bucket facing the wrong way. It's actually the advanced controls. Once you get comfortable with the bucket on that way.
This is the advanced thing.
Yeah. Step one, stabilizers down. Yeah, she gets a little tippy without those, so whenever you're using the backhoe and extending the boom out, get that thing up off the ground. Did you guys notice what he's doing here? He just wants the slightest bit of pressure on there. See, he's coming down real slow. He just wants the pressure off of this pin. Oh, he's assessing. Too much pressure, not enough.
Perfect.
I think I can wiggle her off.
Perfect.
2 pins we got to take out. What do we got?
9/16.
Two, I'm sure, not the same size bolts. Let's get that going.
Gotta show the people that we work all hours of the day.
All hours, it's 4:30, bro.
I know. Well, they don't know that. Could be 9 o'clock at night.
All right, bang them out. Let's see how you did. That would have taken me 4 tries in and out.
Butter.
In and out of that cab. The old bolt.
I like it. Ice cream, cuz.
That one ain't ice cream.
Yeah, this one
You
was.
want a jiggle? You want a little jiggle? I'll jiggle it for you.
I mean, it's loose. It's there.
This side dropped. When the pin came out, you came down on this side.
Think so?
Yeah. Go ahead. You can feel the lip. Seems that this pin is slightly bigger than this other pin, so we're gonna punch that one through, see if we can't knock it out. We got the sledge. Have at it, Chris. Oh yeah. You're not tight, so take the slack out. There you go. There she is. So that one's gonna need a sanding.
Where's that small pin? I'm gonna use a small pin to pop that pin.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
So I gave these a sand right when I got them. It seems, yeah, you got some gunk buildup. It was just getting jammed up in there. I'm gonna run this, some fine grit sandpaper, just get all this crap off of there. That diameter of this pin is just slightly smaller. So you're gonna come down on your toes. There you go, we're out.
Should be close there.
Down,
Huh?
down. Up. That's close enough.
If you want to pop that in
I
real
will.
quick, and then I'll curl out to see where we got to be. I probably got to come up a little.
Good. Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
Now we're mounting
Yeah, here.
into this first hole.
Yeah.
Why would you go to the second hole? You would be able to
If
Curl
you'd be
in
able to
less?
curl out more. you'd be able to curl out more to scrape a wall down at a further distance with your stick out.
Okay, so you'd have
to
a little more reach.
to level your trench.
So you'd have a little bit more reach.
We'll put it on here when you have your thumb, because your thumb will stick down enough to make up the difference.
Okay.
Then you'll be able to.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So once we get a thumb on this thing,
yeah, we'll start placing it there.
start using this.
I'll hold it. Got it?
Yeah, that other, be careful because that other pin's not in.
Yeah. Fucking
Butter. Butter, baby. The reason that this 1 foot bucket went on a lot easier than the 3 foot bucket came off is because this is the bucket that we bought the machine with. So this bucket is worn, the pins and everything are worn to this machine. So she's used to it, essentially. That new bucket, that 3 foot bucket, and that other 2 foot bucket that you guys saw earlier, as well as, what do you call that? That big hook? Is it a root rake? The ripper tooth?
Yeah, just a ripper shank.
Call it what you want, but we picked those up for pretty cheap. 200 bucks, got us a 3 foot bucket. And, oh, I guess the 2 foot bucket did come with it. Yeah. We picked up the 3 foot bucket and the ripper for $200, which bucket's got a little love. She's real handy.
It's brand new.
She's a bit oversized for the machine, but yeah, we'll use it. This head is, I thought was smaller than the nut.
Oh.
I was wrong.
Gotta love it. Diesel fumes and wood stove firing up. 2 best smells in the world. Smells like America.
The wood stove smells like Keegan's burning it out. Shouldn't be smoking like that, sweetheart.
Shouldn't be smoking like the backhoe.
All right, let's not crank this one.
Yeah, dude, you don't need those tight at all. Like,
that's good. Just get a little hiccup over there.
Is Keegan in the backhoe?
Keegs, get out of the backhoe. Quit hitting the throttle. No, that sticks in there. I lubed it up pretty good, but. That's good.
Not bad for my second time. How far?
Don't hit your truck.
You want it far?
That's good. So the problem is that the Extendaho hydraulics will settle. So we might as well just put it down now so you don't forget, and then something's underneath it and it gets squished. Good. All right, now, fellas, worst time of year, you can't get anything done because it's dark at 4:30, 4:15, 4:30 every night. So.
Want it locked?
No, don't lock her up. I'll be back out here tomorrow. That's it for tonight for us. See you in the AM. Thank you, Chris.
Yeah, no problem, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brothers.